In this video, we will install Apache Maven, the build tool for Java projects. Maven handles downloading libraries, compiling code, running tests, and packaging our application. Unlike the previous installations, Maven requires us to set environment variables manually. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. Open web browser. Go to Maven's download page. In the URL, type maven.apache.org/download.cgi and then press enter. Scroll down to Files section here. You will see a table with different download options. We want the binary zip archive. Look for the link ending in bin.zip. This one. The current version is 3.9.12 or similar. The exact version number does not matter much. Any 3.9.x version will work. Click on the zip link to download. It's about 10 megabytes, very quick. Once downloaded, open File Explorer and go to your downloads folder. You should see the Maven zip file. Right click on the zip file and extract all. But before I do that, what I'll do is I'll cut it from here by pressing Ctrl X, and then I'll go to C drive, and then I'll paste here, and then as Windows is asking for administrator permissions, I'll click on continue, and then now I'll right click on this file, and then I'll click on extract all, and you see here, so it is showing that it will be extracting to C and again into another folder. So I'll just remove the another folder name and I'll just keep C drive only, and then click extract. So now you will see here, this is the Apache Maven 3.9.12, and here the bin folder, boot and conf library and other folders. Now we can safely delete this zip folder that we have downloaded because it is unnecessarily occupying space on our C drive. So I am now deleting it by pressing Shift Delete and then pressing enter. Now we have downloaded and we have extracted Apache Maven into our C drive, which is in this case operating system drive. Now if you go to your C drive, you will see the Apache Maven folder, and then if you look at the full path is C:\Apache Maven 3.9.12. So click on the address bar to see the full path. Copy this path. We'll use this path for environment variables. It should be something like, as we have seen already here, C:\Apache Maven 3.9.12. I have copied it. Now we need to set the environment variables. For that, click Start button and type environment variables. So you will see this option, edit the system environment variables. A pop-up window appears like this. You should click on this environment variables. There are two types of environment variables. Environment variables for a particular user. In this case, my username is Kanti. So for user, the variables are here available at the top window, and for the entire system, the variables are available at the system variables. So I have already placed before this Maven underscore home as a system variable. So I'm deleting it to just show you once again how you are going to do this. and sometimes we'll keep this variable in the path as well. See here, this path is already there. I am again deleting it to show you how to do these two steps once again so that you can reproduce it on your computer. So now I am creating a new variable, and the variable name is in the uppercase Maven underscore home, and the variable value is whatever we have copied before, like as it is gone, as it is not there in my clipboard. So I'm going to go to C drive once again and copy the entire path, and then I'll place it here as the value for the environment variable, and then I'll click OK. When we have done this, this automatically adds to the environment variables. For a safer case, what we would do is we are also add this environment variable path, actually Maven path, to the path variable of the system. So I have added, and then I clicked on OK, and then OK, then OK. Now we need to add Maven to path to Windows can find it. Find the variable called path in the system variable and select it, click edit. That's what we have actually done. Click new and type, and then we, for example here, now to check whether we have set properly or not, I am opening the terminal, the command prompt, and then here I'll type echo in lowercase echo percentile maven underscore home percentile symbol, and then press enter. Now you can see here the Maven has been properly set and available. So here we have configured Maven, and then we have also verified the Maven path is available in the Maven home variable. And let's check the Maven version. For that, the command is mvn -- version. Now if you see here, the Maven has been successfully installed and available for us. So if you got into any errors, you have to double check that you have added the path variable correctly with percent maven home percent backslash bin, if in some cases bin is required, and make sure to open new command prompt window after setting the variables. Maven is now installed. This is the tool that will compile our Java code and run our tests. In the next video, we will install Python. See you there.